Hey guys, what's going on? I decided to do something a little bit special today. A full booster box opening of Pokemon Sword and Shield. Woot woot. So excited. It's the only thing that I had to be able to record on, so sorry for the quality. But I am very, very excited. So let's just get right into it. You're going to be with me this whole time, right? Here's my... Ta-da! Should I pull it back, maybe? And, yeah. Doo-doo. Every single pack. Here we go. Boom! Da-dun, dun, da-dun. Here we go. I'm so excited. I've been waiting literally all day for this. And I decided to do this because, feel some, do something to make you feel good, hopefully you find this entertaining. And I'm just going to do it as is, actually. I was going to do it a special way, but I decided to actually go in the traditional route of the way that the cards go. Okay. First card. Cottony. Next card. Choodle. Next card. Rhyhorn. Next card. Rookidee. Next card, Krabby, a holographic Sobble. And then the rare of this pack is Corviknight, with an energy that is Grass, Mantine, and then Corvisquire. Maybe I'll see if I can do that. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 cards after. Yeah, alright. So there we go. Not bad. Didn't have a Corviknight before. Next one. Here we go. I'm seriously hoping for a secret rare Marnie. That's the full art rainbow of Marnie is the goal. I will be hunting for Marnie till I get her. So let's hope that this will come true on this pack. Oh, this one's going to be a little bit difficult. There we go. Hopefully that doesn't give me corona. Alright, here we go. There's those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, here we go. Energy. Oh, I didn't get there. Energy. That's going to be a fighting energy. And then a big charm. And then Seeking. A Thwackey. Krabby again. Q-Font. Baltoy, Salandit, and then Ponyta. Oh my gosh. Okay, first off, we have a holographic Beedee, and then Morpeko VMAX. Oh, that's probably the rare. Oh my goodness. That's probably the one. Right there. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Started off early. Let's hope for Marnie. Let's just hope for normal Marnie, I guess. Okay, here we go. Next pack. Who would ever thought that I'd get the secret rare right off the bat like that? Sheesh. Alright, here we go. So this. Here we go. Code 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here we go. Ah, fire energy. Oh, there's Hop. Let's see. Can you see that? Trying to... There we go. Hop. Dottler. Potion. Skorupi. Clobbopus. Wooloo. Sobble, Pinturchin. Oh, check this out. An Aurora Energy. What is this? VMAX Basic Delmise. Can you see that? Hooyah! How cool is that? What? Sorry, guys. The camera angles on this are probably going to be a little weird. But I'm just so excited. Okay, keep it going. Next one. Here we go. Pull the card out. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to guess water. Oh, psychic. Starting off with a Salazzle. And then a Metal Saucer. Rotom Bike. Do. Got a Krabby. A Zigzagoon. Gossifleur. Silicobra. Yamper. Minccino. And a Nonhoil Stonejourner. Okay, that wasn't bad. I don't mind. Okay, here we go. Next one. I don't care about indecision. Listening to Boston today. Some good stuff. That's a good band. Okay. Alright. Code 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Oh, I don't know what that is. I think that's metal energy? Recycled energy, maybe? Okay. Vitality Band. Sudowoodo. Raboot. Joltik. Silicobra. Blipbug. Goldeen. Another Yamper. Holographic Joltik. And then the rare is a Thievul non-foil. Okay. Alright. There we go. Sure enough. Here we go. Look at this card again. Wow. Well, we have one part of Marnie, which is the Morpeko. Start over here. Whee! Here we go. Oh, that was a good one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Ah, water energy. There's the water energy I suggested earlier. Oh, I just dropped something. Here we go. Blue energy. A Hyper Potion. Team Yell Grunt. I remember when Hitmonlee used to be rare. Grookey. Sobble. Rhyhorn. Roselia. Ferroseed. A holographic Krabby. Non-holographic Raichu. Okay. Yep, alrighty. Interesting. Next one! Yeah, so like I said, today, listening to some Boston. Might have to talk about them on my podcast. Such an interesting band. So much just talent. It's almost impossible to deny the greatness, almost. Okay. Card 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Dark energy. A Bisharp. A Pokemon Catcher. A Haunter. A Chinchou. A Diglett. Another Ferroseed. A Goldeen. Oh, yep. Stay there. A Rosalia. Oh, Krogunk. And then the rare, finally I can evolve my Yamper into a holographic Boltund. Pretty cool. Not a bad pack. Alright. So I recently started to take on to my podcast that I talk a little bit more about music than I'm used to. Just because I really have gotten into music a lot recently. And I don't know. Just really kind of cool. Ah, I was thinking it was going to be fire this time. We got a grass type, a Pokekid, and then we got a Heatmor, a Stunfisk, a Maractus. I finally have a Pikachu, who's actually still my favorite Pokemon, by the way. I don't care what anyone says. A Meowth, a Sizzlipede, a Wooloo, Rotom Bike. Is that the rare one? Oh, there it is. And a Noctowl, non-holographic. I got a little excited because I saw the glint and it said trainer. As you know, we are shooting for Marnie. I don't think we'll get a secret rare Marnie, but if we can at least get a holo Marnie, that'd be nice. Here we go. So, yeah, music has become quite intricate for me recently, just because the fact of the matter is, like, between this whole quarantine, it's just kind of helped me out in a lot of situations. It's been really helpful. Got an electric, energy, drizzle, evolution incense, a Salazzle, and then we got a Maractus, a Mudbray, a Ponard, a Scorbunny, a Nictit, or however you pronounce it. And then we finally got another shiny, or a holographic rare. Oh, double rare. Okay. We got a shiny, not a shiny, but a holographic Mudsdale. And then a shiny Claydol. Or not a shiny, but a rare Claydol. And on to the next one. Not really. That's actually a really cool pack. I like Mudbray and I like Mudsdale. I actually think those are really two cool Pokemon. Just very different from what they normally do. So, pretty cool stuff. Oh. Sometimes you win some, you lose some, am I right? You know, I have never actually just straight up bought a pack of Pokemon cards like this before. There's the trainer card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, fighting. And then a quick ball. Well, now I can evolve my Joltik because I just got a Galvantula. Oh, yes. And then next you got an air balloon and a classic Chinchou. Actually, in my second deck I ever made had a Chinchou and subsequent Pokemon after that. I forget its name. Croagunk. And then there's the Meowth Galarian form, which is way better than normal Meowth, might I add. Scorbunny. Sinistea. Hey! Now I have a shiny or a holographic Joltik and Galvantula. Oh, hey. I already have a non-shiny version of this. But there is the V Cramorant. That's it. I almost said Croagunk. Cool. This one came kind of bent. Okay. Yeah. Very cool. I always like seeing those. Hoping for that Marnie card. Here we go. You know, I actually haven't really struggled too much with the quarantine when it comes to, like, mentally handling it. I've already been kind of like a homebody anyway. So, this has actually been kind of nice and cathartic. It's made me have to think about myself. Well, they must know I like electric types. Rabbit. Then there is Lumberry, an Aurora Energy, Gossifleur, a Silicobra, another Yamper, another another Krabby, another Qfant. Oh, yes. A double rare again. Galarian Rapidash. Nice. Holographic. Boom. Cinderace. Boom. 2 holos in a row. I love that pack. That was awesome. Yes. That is cool. Okay. Here we go. So yeah, I've actually felt the need to kind of like need some alone time, and that's really been kind of also helping out with that. Sometimes life can get a little crazy. Boop. Here we go. Fighting energy. Rare candy. Lumberry. Corvisquire. Diglett. Skorupi. Hoot Hoot. Scorbunny. Pikachu. Holographic Raboot. And then another Stonejourner. I actually have the VMAX shiny, like the Cramorants. Actually, more like the Delmise. That's not a bad pack. Getting kind of sick of the Sojourn, though. Or Stonejourner. Alright, here we go. Whee! 3, 2. Alright. About indecisions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shout out to my buddy that showed me that. I'm not even looking this time. I'm going to guess grass. Fire. And then a crushing hammer. We got a switch. Looks like we got ourselves a Ferrothorn. A Rhyhorn. Another Rosalia. A Ferroseed. A Krabby, or as apparently I like to call them, Kirby's. A Zigzagoon. A Citrus Berry. And our second Raichu. Yeah, okay. Not bad. Not bad at all. Could at least give me a hollow one. I stopped playing Pokemon the first time right after the Team Rocket cards. Probably roughly around there. Here we go. Honestly, probably 2, 3, 4. After I got all the big cards from that one. We got a Psychic Energy, a Drizzle, an Ordinary Rod, a Raboot, a Sizzlipede, Snom, Mawile. Actually, oddly enough, Mawile is actually probably in my top 5 favorite Pokemon. Gossifleur. Goldeen. Hey, that's nice of them. Got ourselves a shiny Mawile and a VMAX Lapras. Do-do-do-do. Oh man, that is dope. Oh yes, that is a gorgeous, gorgeous card. A VMAX Lapras. I can't believe that. That's really, really cool. I don't know if you can see that. Oh. Here we are. Oh yeah. Very cool. That's a good pack. I'm a very big Lapras fan, so can't get too wrong with a VMAX Lapras. Actually, like I was saying, after this, I'm going to be doing a recording on a podcast. Started a new series called Surprisingly Deep, which is going to be, the first one is about the Beatles. A little sneak peek, even though they'll probably come out around the same time. It's going to be on Metallica. Oh, energy. I'm going to guess it's probably colorless energy. Probably means you can attach it to anything, am I right? So, yeah. And then we got a rare candy. And then we got a lucky egg. And then we got a Mantine. Another Galarian Meowth. Another Sizzlipede. Another Wooloo. Another Grookey. Another Sobble. A shiny Shelter. And then Whimsicott. Non-hollow. Not bad, not bad. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Now, what? Nothing. Sorry. Here we go. I was just kind of going through some Beatles music the other day, though, and felt like, oh, geez, like, this song was really, really deep. So, I wanted to write about it. And hoocha! Water. And a switch. And then an energy renewal. And a heat more. And a joltic. And a Celandit. I like Clobopus. I think he's cute. And then we got a Ghastly. Oh yes, I like Ghastly. And then we got, boom, a Rickety, a holographic Ghastly, and then a Poltegeist. Non-foil is the rare. Whoop-de-doo. That was one of... I do have a Sinistea, so now I have enough to be able to evolve it, I guess. Yeah, so we're going to be doing Metallica, because a lot of people have a lot of weird opinions about Metallica, and I'm just going to kind of cut straight through it and show that they actually can be really good lyricists. Here we go. I'm going to guess another electric. Oh, dark energy. Ordinary. Non-shiny beady. A Hitmon. Lee? For a second I thought we were having an earthquake. And a Meowth. Score Buddy. There's my Sinistea. Maractus. Can never have enough Pikachus. And a Cinderace. And then another V. We got ourselves a Keldeo. That is cool. That's a cool looking card, actually. I really like that. Do. That was a cool pack, actually. I can tell when it's actually, if we're having any aftershocks. We had an earthquake recently, if you saw the vlog. You can tell if it's an aftershock if all the spider webs on my ceiling fan are still intact or not. Pew! There's that. 1, 2, 3, 4. But recently my dad got a really killer stereo system for Christmas, and that thing can cause an earthquake. There is our grass energy, a Lucky Egg, a Double, a Doug Trio. Okay, I'm gonna wonder, do you say Mincino or Menchino? I say Menchino. And then Sobble. Oops. And then this is a Blipbug, but that's the other variant art. A Baltoy. A Wooloo. Oh, are we going for a double rare? Going for a double rare! Holy crap! Sandaconda. And then Oranguru. Boom! That is a cool pack. Oh yeah. I applaud you, pack. You did so well. Yes, I am very pleased. Still looking for a Marnie. Alright, here we go. Doo-doo. That was a good one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. See, there's the electric. I remember one Hitmonchan's used to be rare too. Lanoon! Did you know they based this guy off of, what's his name? Gene Simmons from Kiss. I guess he was like the main design inspiration. Halftime. Next up, I remember when Seekings were rare as well. I still have those. And a Blipbug. And a Rhyhorn. And then there's Menchino. A Chincho. I remember when Krogans also used to have poison in them. A shiny Linoone. And a non-hollow Cinderace. Ugh. I think that's like my third or fourth Cinderace. Alright, we're going into the last half right here. Let's see if everything's still going. Yep, we still have half a box. This is where we get our ultra rare Marnie, right? Here we go. Put those down, check that there. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip that around. Flip that thing and reverse it. I'm so sorry. Another electric. Hitmonlee, or Hitmonchan, I mean. A Great Ball. A Linoone. A Mawile. Another Gossifleur. A Goldeen. Ta-da! And then we're going to go with a Diglett. And then we're going to go with Skorupi. A Hollow Potion. And then look at that. We finally got a Roserade, even though it's non-hollow. Yay. Not bad. Here we go. This is it. This is the one. This will give me a Marnie. Probably not. I don't think I'm going to be getting a Marnie. Pew! 1, 2, 3, 4. A Fighting Energy. And a Heatmore. And a Metal Saucer. A Quick Ball. A Ghastly. A Ponard. A Sizzlipede. Can never have enough Yampers. Should probably move it over here. Sorry, guys. Clobopus. And another Stonjourner. Always, that one's hollow. I have the VMAX version of that one. I don't know if I said that already. And Frostmoth. That is a cool card. I applaud you. Thank you. You were a good pack. I guess I got what you needed. Alright, here we go. Boom, 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 boom. I haven't actually been able to see many of the cartoons of this, but I do like the game. A Stunfisk, Nurse Joy, or as this is called, Pokemon Center Lady. Come on, what is this? Some sort of like Great Values version? I'm kidding. A Seaking, a Clobopus, a Ghastly, a Rookidee, a Sizzlipede, a Snub, a holographic Score Bunny, and another Claydol, non-hollow. Yay, Claydol, another one. All right, here we go. Yep. Yep. Here we go. Do 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 do. Wha-cha! Psychic. Another Pokemon Center Lady. You like my little twisty twos? Energy Revival or Retrieval. Ferrothorn. Blipbug. A Rhyhorn. A Clobopus. A Goldeen. A Rosalia. They like giving me this Pokemon Center Lady. And then, oh, there's an Inteleon. Finally, I haven't seen a Rillaboom or Inteleon until now. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Even though it's in the beginning of April. Merry Christmas to all. Pew! All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move to the front and pull it around. And there is another colorless energy. There is another energy surge. Actually, that's our first one. Team Yell Grunt. Hey, Drizzle. Blipbug. Baltoy. Wooloo. Joltik. Salandit. There we go. And then a Silicobra. And then the shiny is a non-hollow Durant. Yay. Okay. I have tons of those holographics, so whatchamacallits. Come on, gotta have at least one non-holographic Marnie. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wata. Bisharp, not really my favorite Pokemon. Salazzle, I like. Doug Trio. A Manchino. A Vulpix. Oh, there's a new one. Muna. That's cute. And then there's Rosalia. A Choodle. Oh, we're going with a double rare on this one. Roserade. And a non-holographic Drampa. That's cool. I like Drampa. He reminds me of Atreyu from Neverending Story, for those of you who are old enough to remember that. Neverending Story. Ah, ah. Yeah. Going with that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dark Energy. Double. Quillfish. By the way, I don't know if you noticed, but I got my theme on top of my base for Mercy from Overwatch. I have the statue. Baltoy. Salandit. A Ponyta. A Mini Joe. A Sobble. Ooh, a Big Charm. The Pokemon this card is attached to gets plus 30 health. Jeez. Oh! Not a VMAX, but V of Regirock. That is cool. Those are such cool cards. I applaud this pack. This is a good pack. You are a good pack. Oh, yeah. That was good. That was really, really good.